So first of all, good morning everyone. Welcome to this video. And today basically we are just going to see that what is the Java class 6 here. Okay. So let's come on the screen that what will be the Java class 6. So I have to open our PDF. So we can see that today is the Java comments is our project for today. That is a class 6 in the Java programming world. Okay. So today basically we are just going to discussing about the first point, that is what is the comment. Okay, so I hope that you have to understand that what is this comment in the C and the C++. So if you have no idea about the comments, then no problem, no problem, done. Okay, so comment is nothing but comment are the statements that are totally ignored by the compiler and the interpreters. Okay, so no problem, done. This one is not going to the understanding by the not understandable by the interpreter and the compiler. Okay, that is the meaning of the comments. And then why we use the comments? We use the comments to provide the explanation about the program. Okay, whatever we are going to written in the any programming world, so then we have to use the comment for the readability. Okay, for the readability of our program, that what are we going to do, what is the meaning of this program. Okay, so we can use the comment for the saying something about our program. Okay, so comments makes program more understandable and readable to other to the other peoples. Okay, to other programmers. So if anyone is coming to your home or anywhere, and if that person is seeing that, if that person is taken your laptop and then start at whatever you have to written the source code. So at that time if you have to use the comment, so that person will be understand that you are really a programmer, because a programmer means that person have to explain everything in the very easy way. So we can also use the comment line. Okay, so that's the main reason. And here we have the single line comment and the multi-line comment and the documentation comments. Okay, so this is the funda here. So if we will use this one, then our documentation comment will be called. Okay, because at that time our comment will be just like a lighter. Okay, something little bit lighter will be here. And multi-line comment will be here, one backslash and then one of this one, and then slash and then a star, and again a star and slash. So this is the funda about the multi-line. And here we have the single line, that is a double slash. Okay, and here we can see that we have the in the program how can we use. Okay, so we have the class test. And do you know that what is the types of the variables? So mainly we have the four types of the variables. In the C we can see that is the two types, the local and the global. But here we have the different types of the variable, that is a instance variable and the static variables and the local variables and the final variables. Okay, so instance variable is what? So instance you can say that is just like a global. Okay, and which one is going to retain inside the class but not in the method. Okay, so that one we call the instance variable. And which variable is containing the static keyword, so that one will be called the static variable. Okay, and here we have the local variable, because this one is containing the inside the main method, so that's why that one we call the local variable. And here with the final we have to use the final keyword, so this variable we call the final. Okay, so I hope that you have clarity. So we can't change the value of the our static and the final. We will see all these things in the next videos. Okay, so this is the fundamental of the something Java. And after this video we will finally come in the source codes. Okay, so here with the test t and then equal to new test and this square this bracket. Okay, so at a time what's happening, circle bracket you can also say. So this one is the syntax for the creating the object for our class. Okay, so class is the test test, and then t is the reference for our class, and then equal to, and then new keyword for the runtime object creation. So we have to create the runtime object, that's the t, and then test is here. Okay, so this is the syntax for the creation of the object, and the object have to create it successfully. And then we are going to using the t dot 8 and then b, and we are going to use the our object for the accessing the a member of the class, that is a, that is an instance variable here. So 10 will be print here, and then b will be print b value of the b, value of the c, and the value of the d. Okay, so all these programs will be seen the different videos. In the next videos we will come on the finally on the IDE, that is a, we will see that we will execute all the source code with the help of the Apache NetBeans IDE. Okay, so I am just giving one homework for you, that please install this one. Okay, so I will also make one video for that, how can we install and do that. Okay, so I hope that you have clarity. So you must have to install this one, and then after this class we will see that how can you use this one, and we will write the source code finally. Okay, so let's bye, meet you again in the next video with the next level of the programming concepts. So let's bye.